Jeans repair with sashiko, visible mending. I'm trying different ways to fix jeans and this one felt good enough to share with you. I already made one side. I'm using a piece of black cotton, pearl cotton thread by DMC. It's size 5, color 310. This is how the finished side looks on the back. So I'm placing the cotton and attaching it using needles. After that, I placed area into the embroidery hoop and started making stitches. There are a lot of patterns in sashiko embroidery, but for the first try I used the simplest. It's basically rows of running stitch. Decided to get rid of this. They created weird tension. I figured that without it I will feel less of the patches while I'm wearing the jeans. We'll see. I wasn't trying to make stitches super even. When you make lots of rows it won't be too visible, I think. I embroidered rows and removed needles. To secure thread, I'm sliding under the stitches. To fix the result, I used fray check by Prim. It's supposed to stop fabric from fraying. Final result. It's easy to make, seems durable, but you can definitely feel the patches. Hit like if you enjoyed this video and join my Patreon page for early access. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video!